One of the things I've been doing is I have been sourcing online for product for my online shop on Whatnot, eBay, etc. I order from a few wholesale websites, but I would say one of the things that has been really helpful is actually even sourcing from places I sell on, because there's a lot of bigger wholesale companies that if you search, in the search bar, case pack, large wholesale lot, so much stuff will pop up for great deals. I'm pretty sure these orders today are kind of more fun novelty items just because I found them for really good deals. I'll tell you the platform I got it on and what I'm planning to do with it. This order is the same as this order. They just had to split it into 2 boxes. So we'll open these first. I believe they're, well, I'll show you. Something really trendy right now that sells very well. This is a wholesale company on Whatnot that sells, dun dun dun, squishies. So this one is a jumbo squishy bear. And this came in a wholesale bundle with one. This is also good if you just need like bulk gifts for a birthday or holiday, like Christmas. I'm telling you, if you go on Whatnot and just search case packs or wholesale bundles, you would be surprised what pops up. Also, a lot of shows that are labeled wholesale in the pallets category. And the rest of this one, look at this. So we got a whole squishy bundle, a whole case pack of fish squishy toys. And this stuff has been selling like crazy. I've been ordering these just to add to the Buy It Now on my Whatnot marketplace. And you guys know they're at an all-time trend right now. And then I usually end up giving some to my kids too. But I got this great deal for this squishy bear, this huge pack of fish squishies, and there's more, just wait. This one, I think it's a cat, oh my goodness. A pink cat giant squishy, a bread bear squishy, a ghost squishy, 2 duck squishies, and then a pig squishy. So all of that was one order that I can now add to my marketplaces and sell. So those have been fun. And sometimes those case pack deals, there's a lot of huge liquidators on Whatnot, and so getting deals from them, when I compare them to like my boutique wholesale websites, it's actually cheaper sometimes. Just depends. So that's why you gotta be, do a ton of research and stuff. Make sure you're not overpaying on these sites. But if you need wholesale inventory, I always like to be open and honest and say, sometimes the platforms you're selling on are great sources. If you hear talking, it's just my kiddos in the background. eBay, let me show you. And this one was a giant. I thought these would be perfect for a bulk because it's almost, the 4th quarter season. Christmas time, a lot of accessories sell really well. I found this case pack lot of 96 Disney Lilo and Stitch Angel keychains. And these will be perfect for like a bulk listing, especially the 4th quarter coming up for Christmas. Those are just a few fun things. I obviously sell, like the other day, I got a lot of 144 pairs of Target socks. And obviously they're not huge money makers, probably just a couple bucks profit per item. But when you are selling, that many of them, it adds up over time. So, and it's a good way to fill up your store too, to have more variety and add-ons. So just a heads up, I know it's hard to source sometimes, especially, but there's always companies out there with so much stuff to get rid of with great deals going on. So you just have to be searching online constantly. So those are from eBay and Whatnot. Also, I'm sure there's deals on Poshmark, Mercari, and then obviously local Facebook marketplace offers too. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.